In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when Instagram is not opening. Okay, so if Instagram isn't opening, there could be a bug within Instagram. So normally how they fix bugs is they do an update. So you can either go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store on your device. Then in the top search bar, just search for Instagram. And if you tap on it and you see that there is an update, make sure to tap on the update button and update your Instagram app to the latest version. That can clear out some bugs and make it open again. So if that still doesn't work, what you want to do is you want to go into your settings. Then you just want to scroll down on your settings till you find apps. So apps is right over there. Then you just want to search for Instagram. Once you have searched for Instagram, scroll down and then you want to tap on this button that says storage, that option there. So tap on storage, and what you want to do is you want to clear your data and you want to clear your cache. Okay, so once you have done that, you can try again to see if it opens. And if it still doesn't want to work, then it could be something with your phone that's causing it to crash every time it opens. So what you can do is you can simply just restart your device. So for me, I hold down the power button and then I push the restart button, and then I'll be able to restart my phone and then open up Instagram to see if it will open. So if this video helped you out, drop a like onto it and I'll see you in the next one.